Milesight DeviceHub provides a high-efficiency, low-maintenance solution to easily deploy Milesight devices across multiple locations, reducing complexity and increasing productivity. Milesight DeviceHub regular version supports both on-premise and cloud-based deployment, with identical features available on both platforms. In this video, we will first guide you through the on-premise installation of Milesight DeviceHub. Then, we will demonstrate how to connect a router to DeviceHub and showcase its functions using the connected router. 1. Please notice that the cloud version hosts by Milesight and the on-premise version for self-hosting by customers. If you need to use cloud version, please contact Milesight Technical Support or Milesight Sales for Milesight DeviceHub trial account. If you need to install DeviceHub on your server, please refer to Milesight DeviceHub Installation Guide, and make sure that you have prepared a proper environment for the installation and usage. 2. This video demonstrates the basic functions available on the DeviceHub regular version, but it does not cover a comprehensive testing procedure. For more detailed information, please refer to the Milesight DeviceHub User Guide. 3. Make sure you are using the Ubuntu 20.04 version. To obtain the installation package and essential documents, please visit the official Milesight website. Then install the Milesight DeviceHub regular version on your own server. Ensure the server's LP address is settled and the network tool is installed. You can type ifconfig to check it. If not found, execute apt install nettools to install it. Navigate to the path including DeviceHub dev file to install DeviceHub software. Take the 3.0.1 version as example, type the command. The network interface of this server will show. Select and type the main interface name, then click enter to start the installation. It will take about a few minutes to complete the installation, and there will show following message when the installation complete. This section will teach you how to connect Milesigh router to Milesight DeviceHub. Here we use cloud version for demonstration. You can contact Milesight Technical Support or Milesight Sales for Milesight DeviceHub trial account. The first way to connect a Milesight router to DeviceHub is through an authorization code. Go to Device and click Add button. Enter the name of device. Assign the device to a group if you want. Or you can choose None here. If you check Verify serial number and MAC address, the code will work on corresponding device. Click Add first. Then click Copy code. Go to the web GUI of the device, click System and click Device Management. Fill in the DeviceHub link, DeviceHub Milesigh-IoT.com in Server Address field. In the activation method, choose by authentication code, paste the authentication code and click Connect. If status is connected, router has succeeded to connect to the DeviceHub. And also you can see the device is online on DeviceHub. The second way to connect a Milesight router to DeviceHub is through the account name. Fill in the account using the email address used for logging in DeviceHub, and fill in password. Click Connect. If status is connected, router has succeeded to connect to the DeviceHub. And you can see the device is online on DeviceHub. Log into the DeviceHub. You can see the menu with 6 sections on the top: the dashboard, device, alarm, operational, setting and task. On dashboard, you can see all the binding devices information, like online status with graphical chart, the latest device alerts from each device and device group. On the device part, you can check basic information of connected devices, such as device name and serial number. Click the location icon. You can check current location and historical trackings. Make sure you have enabled the GPS function on the device. It is quite convenient to access device from DeviceHub when the device doesn't have a public IP. Let's click the Earth button to set up a custom access duration. But don't forget to enable the remote access permission of HTTPS or SSH on the device first. Now I click this to view and edit the device information. You can edit the device's name and assign the device to a group. Also, you can click this to assign users to manage the device. If a user is selected, he can manage the device on the DeviceHub. Click it to delete a device from the device management. If the device is still connected, you need to quit device connection first. Then click to delete the device. When the green light is on, we know that the router is connected to DeviceHub and working properly. While the red light means something is wrong and you need to check the alarm. If the light turns gray, then the device is offline. If you want to know how to add the device into DeviceHub, you can watch the previous section, How to Connect Milesigh Router to DeviceHub. If you want to remove devices from your account, just select and click Delete. It's easy, isn't it? You can upgrade the firmware of remote devices via DeviceHub. It should be noted that only the same model with same firmware version can be upgraded in bulk. Select the devices you want to upgrade, then click the upgrade. Click Select File to upload the device's firmware file. The firmware can be downloaded on Milesight website. After the firmware is uploaded successfully, you can click Save to complete the upgrading. If you need to upgrade the offline devices, check Offline Device Upgrade, then DeviceHub will complete the upgrade after the devices are online. Moreover, the DeviceHub allows you to configure remote devices through provisioning. Select the devices you want to synchronize the configuration. Click Provisioning and click Obtain to obtain one device's configuration. The configuration information will be shown in the right text box. Then you can modify the parameters and click Deploy to send and apply the devices you have selected. If you want to deploy the offline devices, check Apply to Offline Device. When something is wrong with your device, an alarm message will be sent to Milesight DeviceHub. On the alarm list page, you can search alarms by alarm level, alarm name, time and device serial number. You can also remove the solved event by Acknowledge. Click the operation log. You can check operation logs for your account. By filtering conditions, you can also easily query operation logs to help you solve problems. On the General Settings page, you can see your account information and set up email notification about alarms. On the User Management page, Super Admin can create or delete admin and basic user account, and the other man can create or delete basic user account only. And the Security Settings page is for login password management. On the Task page, you can check and search task for upgrade, configuration obtaining and configuration deployment. You can click Start to restart the failed or stop tasks. Click Stop to stop pending tasks. Thanks for watching. If you have any question or suggestions, please contact us.